barely working right now. This is weird.
Look at the Wi-Fi.
Alright, watch this. Right here. This is some bull crap.
Ruh-roh. You know that?
No, well, what? You want it?
No. That's stuff.
Oh, no. I can't freaking find it. But if you... my phone won't work. There it is. Okay. In that Nicki Minaj and Karol G song, Karol G, where she had her hair, I don't even know if you can see that.
Who is Karol G?
Oh my God. Why is your phone... And that... Why is everything not working? I like did this thing where it like face swapped, like put my face on hers, and I was like, wow, I didn't know it was gonna do that though. It put it in like a music.
Is that a man?
You always say that about everybody, but that's why I dyed my hair. My hair used to be like kind of that color, but anyways, yeah, Karol G. That's why I dyed my hair blonde.
Okay, G.
Some random reason, really. Oh, look at this. It looks like...
It's been out here for 25 minutes and hasn't melted. If sus ever was a thing.
I don't even want that no more. You don't even want those?
I'm stuffed. I'm not even about to pop and stuff.
It is. I have like a thing this big, that tall, of bleach. It costs like $30. Because if not, it takes like 5 to 6 packets to do my hair. Not including the toner. I didn't even have enough toner to do it the last time I did it. Which is why it looks the way it looks right now.
Hey.
And it's time for me to redo it. That's how much growth I've had.
You done with this?
Yeah.
That looks good, was it?
Yeah, it was good. And it's hot. That's what the girl that I work with said. And I was like, surprisingly, because I bleach it and I don't know, it's weird. I need to get it cut though. What's this lady doing?
I don't know. I don't even think that's her car. I saw like, oh, no. It's probably her husband.